Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into an epic thunder god using DreamFace app. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and you don't need any expensive software. It's just your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your DreamFace, and then if you don't already have it, just open the Google Play Store and then search for DreamFace and then download and install it. Once it's installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And here's the cool part. DreamFace will give you a free weekly credits package so you can try out awesome effects without spending a cent. Next, after you log in, just tap on Magic Effects. This is where all the fun transformations are. And then just scroll to the effects until you find Thunder God. This one, just tap on it. It's look really dramatic with glowing eyes, electric energy and storm vibes. It's perfect for powerful looks. And then just pick any photo that you like your selfie, a portrait, or even a friend picture. Just tap on plus button. And then just confirm. And once selected, just hit create. And okay, like this, as you can see, your photo is transformed into a god of thunder. It's super cool like this. And when you're happy with the result, just tap download to save your animations. And okay, that's it. In just minutes, you have turned a simple photo into something legendary using DreamFace. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.